In SolidPlant P&ID, it's very easy to save your assemblies into the database and insert them in any of your drawings at any time. To access Block Assembly, click on the Block Assemblies function on the top ribbon. To export or save an assembly, click on Export Block Assembly from the drop-down. A dialog box will appear where you can enter a name. Now specify the base point for your assembly. Then select the entities you want to save as an assembly by using a box selection. In the command window, you can see that the block assembly is saved in your project folder. You can now also find it in the Project Explorer's document list. To insert the assembly, click on the same icon on the top ribbon and select Insert Block Assembly from the drop-down. The dialog box will appear where you can see lists of assemblies that you saved. If you select the name, a preview is shown. Then select the name and click on OK. Now insert the assembly in the drawing and assign the tag for gauge and valves.